Our project was to create a fun game that allows the user to wrap an object model with a selected feature such as a color or a texture. It involved creating a program that renders an object to the screen, methods to figure out where the program needs to draw, and many other features such as saving and loading previous artwork, changing the background, keeping track of total surface area covered, and more. Let's check it out. Today, I'll be discussing our paint tool. It happens here, inside of our game loop. We're able to rotate our object and paint onto the object using simple SDL events. There are a handful of other features here too, but not enough time to discuss them. Feel free to check them out in the source code. Our rotate method inside of the object model class is where the magic happens. It is here we are able to manipulate our color buffer. As I mentioned, rotate is called by an SDL event. We pass X and Y data to the rotate method, which then calculates where to draw. Then, we edit the color buffer at that location and update it with our new color data. Our paint tool class is used to set up the paint tool object. Here, we use information provided by our configuration files to set up the paint tool so that it operates correctly within the game within the default settings provided. Lastly, we wanted to touch on our save feature. This allows the user to save and load artwork from a previous run of the program. We were able to accomplish this by simply saving our artwork data to a new file type, much in the way that music production software and image manipulation software use their own file types. As you can see, the game begins with a blank slate, or a blank bunny. We can draw colors and textures to the bunny using the numbers 1 through 4, and we can change the background of the program using the letters Q, W, E, and R. The purpose of the game is to use the least amount of paint possible, but to cover the most surface area of the bunny. We make it a little more challenging by only allowing the user to paint from the origin, by rotating the object model about this point. It's a lot harder than it looks. We also set up the program to use the arrow keys along with the mouse. We hope you enjoyed our project.